How to create a Java project in IntelliJ IDEA. Creating a Java project in IntelliJ IDEA is simple. Just follow me. First, open IntelliJ IDEA on the welcome screen, the same one you see on my screen. Go to the Projects tab and click on New Project. In the New Project window, choose Java as your project type. Give your project a name. It's better to use lowercase letters for project names following Java naming conventions. Choose a name that reflects your project's purpose. For example, I'll use Java course. Specify the project location. This is where your project files will be stored on your system. Choose Maven as the build system. Maven is a powerful tool that helps manage dependencies, compile code, and package your project efficiently. Select a JDK, Java Development Kit. If you already have a JDK installed, select it from the list. If not, click Download JDK and choose the latest stable version. Enable onboarding tips and generate sample code. Tick the Add Sample Code checkbox. This will generate a basic Java class with a main method to help you get started. Under Advanced Setting, set the group ID and artifact ID. Group ID, a unique identifier for your project, usually in reverse domain format. This represents the organization or developer managing the project. It helps differentiate projects with similar names. Artifact ID, the specific name of your project or module, typically written in lowercase with no spaces. And in the end, click on Create button to finalize the setup. That's it. Your Java project is now ready. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.